3. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Kanban view in Airtable. First, sign into your Airtable account and open the base that contains the records you want to organize. Select the table where you want to create your Kanban board. Next, go to the Views section and click Create New View. Choose Kanban from the available view options, then give your view a name. Airtable will create a new board where your records are displayed as cards. After that, choose the field you want to use for grouping your cards. A common option is a single select field, like Status, where cards can be organized into columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Airtable will automatically place your records into the correct columns based on that field. Now customize your Kanban board by adjusting the card layout, choosing which fields appear on each card, and adding filters or sorting options. You can also drag cards between columns, and Airtable will automatically update the linked field value. Finally, save your Kanban view and start managing your workflow. You can use this view for projects, sales pipelines, content planning, or any process where you need to move items through different stages. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to create a Kanban view in Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.